Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Today, we are discussing a Rolex certified pre-owned Oyster Perpetual Yacht-Master in steel and platinum. This is the 116622, so this is 904L steel, platinum bezel, 40 millimeters in diameter. The watch you see right here is only 11.7 millimeters thick from lug tip to lug tip, 47.3 millimeters. If you include the end links, the Oyster bracelet, 49.8 millimeters is the total horizontal distance across the wrist with a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. We'll open this watch up, take a look on my wrist, which is 16 centimeters in circumference, throw this watch on, get a better sense of how it fits on a real human being. And you can see that the lug-to-lug is quite narrow, but the end link to end link span is a bit broader. I'd recommend it for wrists as small as 14 centimeters circumference. It is decisively thinner than a GMT, a sub, or even a Daytona, so it will very easily fit underneath a cuff. No problems with the sleeve. You can see the down the barrel angle there. 904L steel is used for the case, the bracelet, and the clasp. This is a type of high nickel content steel that is particularly resistant to corrosion, including in the presence of sea salt, which is appropriate for a watch dubbed Yacht-Master. It's also particularly resistant to the kind of corrosion that can occur when conventional 316 steels are exposed to sweat from the arm. You can see the clasp is a folding clasp, single fold action. We have removable links that are fixed in place using screws. You can see some of them on each side of the clasp. And then internally, there's a 5 millimeter snap in, snap out, easy link tool-free adjustment. And then a series of 3 pairs of divots so you can dismount the spring bar and move it in or out to fine-tune the fit. There is a spring-loaded lever action beacon hook release right here. So that latches once, that latches twice, and there's a little kerf underneath the crown so you can dig your nail in and open it up. So it's a double locking clasp. Here we have a case with a solid case back, Oyster style case. We have a trip lock crown. You know it's a trip lock crown in steel because it has 3 symmetrical dots, 100 meters water resistant, so no reservations about swimming with this watch. The case design is actually a little bit more fluid, curvaceous, and complex than the GMTs, the Explorer 2s, the subs, and the Sea Dwellers. It's a bit more like a Daytona or even a Day-Date case profile. The bezel is made of platinum, and you can see it's a bidirectional style yachtsman's bezel. It's designed for timing the countdown to the beginning of a match or one race within a regatta. It's not a dive style bezel, so it can move in both directions. We have a media blasted base with these polished, raised, and relieved indices and numbers, and so you can use this as a timing reference. While many bidirectional bezels from other brands simply glide without any kind of indexing or detent, this actually does have a 120 click action, so there is a tactile sensation to turning that bezel. Taking a look at the dial now, you can see it's a metallic sunburst blue with white gold hands and indices. They won't tarnish or oxidize with time. We have a lovely red varnished second sand as well as the Yacht-Master script. Taking a quick look right here, you can see the watch features a Rolex Chromolite blue luminescent dial, Rolex making its own lume. You can also see all 3 hands luminescent. And the watch features a Cyclops eye style magnifier so you can easily see the date. We have hacking or stop seconds, instantaneous jumping date, and then we also have a quick set mechanism so you can rapidly set the date just like that. Easy to do and fun to play with. Inside the case, Rolex manufacturer automatic caliber 3135. Bidirectional automatic winding, 48-hour power reserve, 4 Hz beat rate, 31 joules. By the time this watch was manufactured, Rolex was not only certifying the movement as a COSC chronometer, but also testing the fully assembled watch to register no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours, hence the superlative chronometer terminology on the dial. It has a substantive meaning in the modern era. The watch features a free-sprung balance for shock resistance and precise adjustments. The fine timing done with pairs of opposed Rolex Micro Stella adjustment bolts, and the free-sprung balance so for very precise adjustment with those bolts, and then also for shock resistance because those bolts cannot be displaced by concussion on the wrist, so the timing of the watch cannot be thrown by concussion with the free-sprung balance design. There's also a full balance bridge to better brace the balance against shock, and the hairspring is an overcoil profile Breguet shaped shaped by hand, and so in any position, an overcoil is likely to breathe concentrically and keep consistent time no matter what the position of your wrist relative to gravity or the position of your watch on your dresser at night. Finally, that hairspring is a blue oxidized niobium zirconium alloy Rolex calls Parachrome Blue that is highly anti-magnetic. So we have anti-magnetic, water-resistant, and shock-resistant technology all in one watch. Rolex is a fully integrated manufacturer that make case, hands, dials, movements, clasps, bracelets, even the lubricants used in the calibers. So the watch is all Rolex. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex factory original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a certified pre-owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.